Hello, this is Mutaz from VTEKE Electric. In this video, I will explain how to use the power factor controller PFC 12S device. As we see in the left side here, it shows the condensation status. We have three types: over, normal, and low. And for the right side, it shows the condensation mode. We have 7 programs: auto and 4 rotations modes, start over and drop mode, and lastly we have the manual mode. Each function mode explained briefly in the user manual, so please check the user manual while you are setting up this device. To determine the step count when the measurement LED is on, as we see here, we need to press the escape and up button together for 5 seconds. And now from here we can choose number of steps that we need. After that, we will press on set button. We also can make the current transformer test, but it's necessary to enter the current transformer ratio firstly before starting this test. To start this test, we need to press the escape and down button together for 5 seconds. As we see here, it shows a step test on the screen. We need to press on set, and now it starts to make the test. If there is no connection problem, it will show true on the screen, but here I got an error. Otherwise, there is 4 errors types. Start from 0 to 3. Please review the user manual to recognize each error type. For example, for error 1, I got here because I didn't connect the current transformer, so it means that I need to recheck the connection. To change between the modes, we need to press on escape button for 5 seconds. And as it shows here, now it's on auto. We can change it from here, for example, route 1, route 2, 3, 4, and here for the start, over, and drop mode. And lastly, we have the manual mode. To check the value of each parameter, the measurement LED should be on, and by clicking on the down button, we can change between the parameters. For example, here we can see the current transformer ratio, over compensation, low compensation, and etc. To enter the setting mode, we need to press on set for 2 seconds, and now the setting LED will be on. By pressing set again after we choose the parameter. For example, if I want to change the current transformer ratio, I need to press on set again and choose the new value. I want to clarify something here. For example, if we have a current transformer with 250 over 5, so we need to identify it as 50. And for example, if we have 100 over 5, so it should be 20. And we can save the new value by clicking on set again. And if you want to back to the measurements mode again, we need to press on escape, and the LED will be again on measurements. For making the automatic step measurements, firstly we need to check that we are in setting mode. After that, we will go to the current and press set. From here, by using up, by press on up, we can choose the number of steps that we need, or we can select it all for all steps. As we see here, it shows all. After that, we can press on set button, and now it starts to measure the first step. After it's finished, it should show a value here, and moving on until covering all the steps. I can cancel it from here by clicking on escape. Also, we have an ability to block the access for settings by pressing set and escape buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. It should show me on the screen that be off. It means that I can't now access to settings. I will make a test. For example, by pressing for 2 seconds, it will not access the settings. If I want to disable this mode, I can press again on set and escape buttons for 5 seconds. And it will show be on. Now I have the ability to access to settings by pressing set 2 seconds. To return the factory settings, firstly the LED should be on settings, and after that we will go to the PF parameter, the last one, and by pressing escape and up for 5 seconds it will show an RST on the screen, and it means that successfully we reset all the settings. But note that after returning all the values, you need to reset up it again before starting using this device.